Welcome to Cooking Adventure Kitchen. Today's recipe is about ShahiMashDaldaheebhalay. Ingredients are shown on screen. Mashdal, soda powder, garlic cloves, spices. Soak mashed dal for 4 hours for better balay. Peel off garlic. Soda powder 2 spoon. Salt, red chili powder and crushed 1 spoon each. Let grind the soak mashed dal and all other ingredients. Add garlic in blender. Crushed and powder ref chili. Soda powder. Let them grind well. Let them grind twice. Now we get smooth batter for balay. Now repeat and blend the rest ingredients. Shift it in a container. Wow, what white smooth batter is ready. Take a pan, put desire oil and add big spoon batter for a balay. Flame should be very low. Add some peas in it or cashew nuts in it. Flip it to fry other side. Prepare dahi for balay. Add dahi in a dish. Add sugar for spoon. Mix it well. Take water in a container, soak balay for 10 minutes. Press out the water from balay with the help of hands. Dip the balay and prepare balay yogurt. Now garnish it with imli chatting, apparently, and chana. It's ready to eat. Enjoy the smooth and soft ShahiMashDaldaheebhalay.